photographers, my name is Brenda Petrella, and welcome to the Outdoor Photography School YouTube channel, where we help you create better images and reconnect with nature. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because we are doing a giveaway contest to celebrate having just passed the 20,000 subscriber mark. Woo! So that's really exciting. It makes me so happy, and I just wanted to thank you, all of you, for subscribing, for all your wonderful comments, and for really supporting the content that I'm putting out here on the channel. It really helps to know that my videos are making a difference to you and your photography. So to thank you, I wanted to do a little giveaway contest, and I was recently the winner of a contest that was held by the Leave No Trace Center for Outdoor Ethics as part of their end-of-year campaign. I had supported them, and I won this prize, and I've never won a contest before, so it was really exciting. And then I realized, this actually would be something that would be useful to the Outdoor Photography School community, and so that's why I wanted to give it away in a contest today. Okay, so here it is, and it is, drumroll please, a Primus trail stove. So this is just tiny little camp stove. It's very packable, super lightweight. All you have to do is get a canister of fuel that screws into the bottom and you're ready to go. And this type of stove is actually compatible with all different types of fuel found all over the world. So no matter where you're traveling to, you should be able to find some compatible fuel. These little stoves are super handy for backcountry camping or overnight trips, or even just having in your car, and say you're going to a sunrise shoot and you want to make some coffee on the side of the road. This is a very handy thing to have with you. So this is the main prize, but you will also receive a Clean Canteen stainless steel straw. Note that it's orange. I was very happy about that because, as you likely know, orange is one of my favorite colors. And so this is great because it's a reusable straw. I have one just like this. It just lives in my truck, and this reduces plastic waste in our oceans. It's a pretty good thing, right? The next thing is this beeswax wrap. This is a food wrap, so instead of using saran wrap and wasting more plastic, you can use this reusable wax. It's beeswax based. And I use these all the time, and they're great for storing food in the refrigerator or bringing out on trail if you want to pack some trail food or whatever. Last but not least, I'm going to throw in this little card that's all about the Leave No Trace 7 principles, in case you want to get familiar with them. The Leave No Trace principles are really important to me because I believe that as outdoor photographers, it's our responsibility to respect Mother Nature and also be an example to others to make sure that other people learn how to respect nature and treat it well. And so Outdoor Photography School has actually partnered with the Leave No Trace Center for Outdoor Ethics, and we've also collaborated with the Nature First Alliance for Responsible Nature Photography. And so if you're not familiar with these two organizations, I've included the link in the description below so you can check them out. But these are groups of people who care about the environment, care about connecting with nature, and want to make sure that we're doing the right things to make sure that nature is here in the long run. These organizations helped inspire what's called the Outdoor Photography School Manifesto, which is a declaration of core values that help guide us in everything we do as outdoor photographers. So all you have to do to enter this contest to win these super cool items is to head on over to outdoorphotographyschool.com/giveaway, enter your first name, your email address, download the OPS Manifesto, and then after you confirm your email, you will be entered into the contest. The contest ends on January 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will draw a name at random on February 1st and announce the winner sometime that first week of February. Please note, though, that this contest is only open to U.S. residents because of shipping reasons. That's it. I hope you enter, I hope you win, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.